Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a loyalty program on Wix. So first is head over to wix.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. And from the left panel, click on Edit Site. And now from your editor page in the left panel, click on the Add Apps button. And in the search bar, we're just going to search for loyalty. Just type in this word, then press enter. Now we have here this app that is called Wix Loyalty Program. So click on it, then click on Add to Site. Now you can customize this loyalty program by clicking on it, then click on Manage Program. So as you can see, to launch a loyalty program, you're going to need to upgrade to a plan that includes accepting payments. And once you've done this, you can proceed by clicking on Start Now. Of course, you may want to give your loyalty program a name and name for your points. And of course, you can also change your points icon. Then proceed to set up. And from here, you can basically customize and change details about your program. And once done, you can just proceed and publish this to your website just by clicking on the publish button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!